As you can probably tell from the parking lot, looks like nobody else wanted to do this today. It's about 13 degrees and I'm gonna go hike Black Elk Peak. All right, so I'm at the Sylvan Lake Trailhead right now, and you can go basically one of two ways. Trail 9, which is a little easier, I believe, and a little bit shorter, and that's the way that most people go. Or you can go Trail 4, which actually takes you through Little Devil's Tower and Cathedral Spires as well, up on the way through Black Elk Wilderness up to Black Elk Peak. So that's the way that we're gonna go today. I pretty much knew the second that I crossed the state line last week that I had made a grave mistake, because it is like frigid all week here, way colder than Minnesota was, which is weird. And the wind, as you can see from that last shot, has just been pretty ridiculous, but it's supposed to be a lot warmer here in a little bit, so I'm hoping that it warms up, because I'll be out here for like probably 4 hours today. So it's looking nice right now though, which is good compared to the past couple days. You having fun? You having a good time? All right, so I really haven't been talking at all, but I figured this was an opportune time to show where we're going, because it's up there. That's Black Elk Peak. There's a fire tower up there, big brick structure, and we're going all the way up. I have really only gone like a mile and a half at this point. I've been really focused on filming and stuff, but that's where we're headed. Honestly, this place is wild though. If you've never been here, highly recommended. Again, I'm about a mile and a half in right now, and it's just non-stop stuff like this. We're at Cathedral Spires. We just went past Little Devil's Tower a minute ago, but you can't beat this stuff, dude, and you can't find this anyplace else in the world. It's pretty insane, but this is like the entire hike so far. It's just these huge rock pillars and spires. We're getting a lot closer. We're getting some more views of the summit, and we're on this fun part here where we're gonna descend a couple hundred feet to reclimb them in like a half a mile. Always love to see fresh cat prints on the trail in snow. All right, so we're now getting pretty close to the Black Elk Wilderness. Just past, again, Cathedral Spires and all of that stuff. Some really cool rock formations back there. And then now, can't really see it from where I am, but off in that direction, it can focus that way. Off in that direction, we'll start to actually get some views of the back of Mount Rushmore and stuff like that. So pretty cool up here. We're not very far from Rushmore, but we don't have many views yet at this point. I think once we get up here, kind of over this ridge a little bit, that you can't see right now because I'm talking into the camera, I think you can start to see a lot of that really cool stuff down below us. And here we are in the Black Elk Wilderness. Here's a fun fact. I just broke my yak tracks. These things are complete and utter garbage. I'm never buying another pair of yak tracks. Every pair I have is broken within, I don't even know how long, but total garbage, don't buy them. I had micro spikes with me earlier. I almost brought them. I didn't think I'd need them. And then like clockwork, yak tracks broken. Pretty sure that's Mount Rushmore down there. I could definitely be wrong, but I think that's it. Oh, out of focus. In focus? Pretty sure. Could be wrong. All right, pretty much on the peak now. A little bit of climbing left to go, but it's become absolutely beautiful out. Look at this. Couldn't ask for a better day.